Yes, who are you? Actually, it's my daughter's home. I came here to meet her. But this is my home. Maybe you have got some misunderstanding. I haven't misunderstood. I came earlier to meet her as well. This is the same home.
Who is it, Ria? Mother-in-law, hello. Why are you standing here? Please come inside.
Sanju? Who is she?
I'll tell you. You come inside.
Son, what she's saying that it's her home. Where is my daughter?
Mother-in-law, we got divorced a year ago. She has left me and gone to Canada. She didn't tell you?
No. She didn't tell me that she got a divorce and... But why?
Man, why do you have to go to Canada? I don't understand this.
I want to go for myself.
Why do you lag here? Can you please tell me? What are you not getting here?
If I don't have any lacking, so I can't go. I have got an option, so I'll go. If you want to come with me, so come. Otherwise, it's your choice.
So you are ready to go to Canada and divorce me?
Yeah, so who can't go with me? Why I have to take a stamp on his name?
You know very well that all my work is here. I can't do my work from there. Should I go there and struggle?
So it's your problem, not mine. If you want to come, so come. Otherwise, give me divorce.
Okay. Let's get a divorce. Today you are asking for a divorce to go to Canada. If I go with you, then you will need something else in the future. If that doesn't get fulfilled, then you will divorce me for that as well. Let's end this relationship today.
Fine. That's why, since 1 year, she's not talking to me. I was not able to reach on her number and I don't have her Canada's number. That's why I came here to meet her, but she's not here. It's okay. I will leave.
Mother-in-law, please wait. You have come from so far. Do you have some work?
I had some work. Her father is admitted in the hospital and I don't have money with me. I thought daughter must be having some money. I'll ask help from her, but... It's okay, I'll see.
Mother-in-law, how can you take care of it? She's your only daughter. You can't talk to her. And you don't even know that you will be able to talk to her or not. You please wait for a while. I'll be right back. This is 1 lakh rupees. You can keep it.
No, son, I can't take this money. Now we have no relation.
Mother-in-law, relationships don't break once they are formed.
Sanju, why are you giving her money? Now she's not your mother-in-law as well. What her daughter has done to you, have you forgotten that?
Ria, I called her mom and her husband father. And I didn't just say it. I accepted it from my heart.
Hey, so what happened? You don't have any blood relation. And people doesn't even care about their blood relations.
Even though we don't have a blood relation, but I have always considered her as my family. And she has always treated me like her son. And what her daughter has done, she is not at fault. And if I have accepted her as my parents, then I'll help her in her problems. And in future, if your parents need me, then I'll always be there for them too. Mother-in-law, you keep this money. And if you need anything, then just call me.
Son, this what you're doing now. Even our own family can't do that. Our relation is no more, but still you're maintaining it. May God always keeps you happy. And what my daughter did to you, na? For that, son, I apologize to you.
Mother-in-law, why are you apologizing? It's not your fault. Just forgot what she has done. And From now on, I'll keep calling you. I'll keep asking about you. I don't know whether she'll call you or not, but I'm there. If you need anything, then just you call me.
Okay, I will leave. Sanju, I'm sorry whatever I said. I forgot that I got married to you because of your humanity. And today, I was stopping you for that only.
It's okay, it's okay.
Always be like this.
And you please let me be.